What is up, everybody? It's Ross the Roamer here, bringing you another episode. And I have so much to catch you guys up on. So much has happened in my life since the last time we saw each other. And I've missed you, by the way. It's been a couple months since I posted a video, especially from my vlog series. I have to get you guys caught up on what's been going on. Shira and I got married.
By the power invested in me, now I pronounce you husband and wife. Thus, you may kiss your bride.
We went on our honeymoon. We were there for a couple weeks. I have lots of vlogs coming there. We're getting ready to go to Las Vegas. We're only staying there for one day, and then we're gonna adventure to some national parks, which is gonna be amazing. We're going to Zion, we're going to the Grand Canyon, we're going to Yellowstone. It's gonna be super epic. This is the first leg of Shira and Ross's honeymoon. All right. And the biggest news of all is that we're expecting a baby. Can't wait. We are beyond excited to welcome a new little one to the family. So just super blessed, super happy. We've been traveling, just loving and enjoying life. One of the things that's also happened during all of this is that I got furloughed from my company and then brought back. So now I'm back to work. While that was going on, I actually launched my own company called Ross the Roamer Productions, where I have a photography and videography company. I just did a documentary for somebody the other day, which I'm gonna be posting on my page, so you can check that out. But this is a commercial that I did for the most amazing company, Apocalypse Coffee Roasters. It's owned by such amazing human beings, and they have a great product. I just love using it, so I'm so happy to work for somebody that I love using their product. And to make the commercial, I used my Canon 90D, and I used a couple different lenses. I used the 100mm f2.8 Canon lens for some detail shots, and then for the majority of the shoot, I used my 18 to 35 Sigma 1.8, and I just love that lens. But it worked out great, and that paired with the green screen made some magic. But all right, you guys be the judge. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. It was really fun making that commercial for Apocalypse. Definitely go check out their coffee, link below. If you haven't already, consider subscribing, and I'll be putting out more content. A lot of vlogs coming up with our honeymoon that we took. As always, keep the soul traveling, and I'll see you on the next one.